What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Bitcoin on Cash App in just a few quick easy steps. The first thing we're going to do is tap into our Cash App application. And then we'll tap the bottom left corner where the money is. Next, you'll tap on Bitcoin. And then you'll tap on Buy. You can choose a pre-selected amount here or tap the three-dot option to select any amount that you choose. I'll select $12. Once you've selected the amount of your choosing or from the menu before, you tap on Next. After you tap on Next, your order for your Bitcoin will be placed. And once you return to the previous screen, you'll see that your Bitcoin amount has increased. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you add money to your Bitcoin on Cash App quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.